guys, it's Andozam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are great. Ngiyathemba nisharp and funny nami. Nangibona nje ukuthi nje uyagolo. Bekakhala lona. Ngeke bisharp ngale ndaba le cousin wami but ngizoba sharp because of bathembisile like bazoziletha izinto zami. Ngizon update nje masizifikile ngizona update. So guys, izolo ngibhalile ku status sami so TikTok ukuthi like if you want to know anything about me, bhala question and then mina i-answer yakho ngizoyiphendula on YouTube. So yiyo le video le yama Q&A, you understand? I think this is part 1 because of abantu balanga anything or maybe befanele ngiyenze ibe like anonymous because of ngifila ngathi abantu baba free if into anonymous singazi ukuthi ubani oyithaphile ngengize ngimphoco, understand? I think kube ngiyenze yabanjalo because abantu basabile like ukutype, understand? Mina befuna ningibuze ukuthi Ntombi why wenza so, Ntombi why wenza so, well, you understand? So yeah, so I think this is part 1. Izana my question, it's fine, you can ask anything, anything. So question yokuqala, how long does it take for Beauty to respond? Guys, ngibhale into enibhalile exactly. So I don't know, I'm not sure because of mina guys angifundi e-VUT. Most of abantu bebacanga ukuthi ngifunde e-VUT. No, ngifunda e-NW. Angifundi e-VUT, ngifunda e-NW, ne? So I don't know, I'm not sure. Angazi anything about izinto zase-VUT. Question number 2. What is the most scariest thing that has ever happened to you? Ile usakhumbula ngintshela guys ukuthi bengibuya eMoli so ngathola i-lift from this other brother kulopho umunye ubhuti so, and then after that washintsha waba like inyoka serpent inyoka, you understand? Bengikhuluma iqiniso that day, like bengikhuluma iqiniso guys. Most of ama stories wami ne iqiniso, and then some of stories am like content vele obviously ngeke nami always ukuthi ngibe ne-story, but like most of lezo story lezo iqiniso. Abona lesi singtraumatizile, angifuni ukucamba manga, singtraumatizile. If awukasibukela ngicela uyosibukela uyosilalela ukuthi ngitheni because of ngeke ngisichaze futhi while nginipostela every day, ngicela uyosilalela. I-weave yakho uyilandile sesi okanye sikulandela yona si-community guys. When I one thing about you guys, niyangithanda like I'm going through a lot. You guys want me ukuthi ngibatheke labo bantu laba bangihetayo, nifuna ukubafonela, like you understand, and I so love that. Niyabonisa ukuthi like niyangithanda guys. I love you so much. I love you so much. Ungawari Tom, open le comment le question le. Don't worry, ngizoyilanda. Ungawari ngizoyilanda senza ungawari ngizoyithola nje soon. Yabona mangayithola ushaye mina. Thank you guys for loving me. Man. What is your age group and why? What is my age group and why? I don't think I get the question le. What is my age group and why? What is my age group? Guys, I'm not 22 multi. What is my age group and why? Or maybe ngafuna ukuthi ngadate like abantu abu age engakana. I don't know. I don't get this question. What is your age group? I'm 20, like age group. I'm not 22. I'm 22 years old. So multi, what is your age group? Like ngani kaziselenion. But if bofuna ukuthi like ngadate abantu ababu age group and like age group enjani. I don't know if I get this question, but think pedule anything you understand now. Ngadate abantu abaku 23 to 28. 23 to 28 I think, because I'm like 22, so 24, 25, 26, 28, not bad. 5 years, not bad, yeah. Why you don't cut off the people who hate you so much? I believe guma second chance. I think everyone deserves like a second chance, you understand? So one hater I one still uzokuthanda the very same way, uzokuthanda like njengoba bengithanda ngakhona ngeke be faking, uzokuthanda still, understand? I believe guma second chances because like everyone deserve a second chance. Maybe ungithe nge mistake or ngithe ngamabomu or ngithe ubona mara wazisolo, understand? So I'm a lover girl. I'm a lover girl. Ngiyathanda umuntu ngiyamthanda ungani abangani ngiyabathanda like I'm a lover girl. So I believe ku second chance. Nanoma ungangithatha kanjani. Ngiyabelieve ukuthi now I deserve second chance, you understand? So I cut it off immediately. But like if ngiyabona ukuthi lana no, I won't deserve. Cut her off. Maybe nigga like I'm a chance like 3. And after that things over like I ansekogu a shame. Are you currently dating, and how's your relationship going if you are in one? Yes, I am dating. To be honest, I am dating. And I am dating. Yes, ngiyajola. I'm in a relationship. And how's your relationship going? Like right now, ne? We silwela lento ukuthi why are you following your exes? Nikhulumani, why usaba follower? Why? Like or yimi delusional, yimi ngihlanyayo, or yimi nginama insecurities, but like why usa follow ama ex wakho? Why ni follow wana on Instagram, on Facebook? Why? And mangitshela ukuthi angithandi into, why unga accept, and why unga respect and cut those people off? Because ngiyakutshela ukuthi asibanibani ngiyakubona ukuthi ufollower, obviously ngumuntu wakho fanele ngiyatsho ukuthi ufollower bobani, obviously I'm your person, ngumuntu wakho, and I'm serious about you, understand? So manje checka ku my handles wakho ngithola ukuthi like you're still following your exes, ingitshela lento leyo, you're still following abantu besilwa ngabo, ingitshela le or kuhlanya mina, I don't know if kuhlanya mina or kwenza cela ingitshela if ngiyahlanya, but you can't follow abantu bebasilwisa like abantu ukuthi bo business, and then after that ngiyakutshela ukuthi like ngicela ba block, ngicela ba delete, like angifuni like sibuyelane like sharp in a relationship, and then when still usaba follow nanoma like sesikhulumile about ukuthi like ayingihlali kahle, like even ukuthile like I understand, I don't get that, I understand, understand futhi ngithanda ukukhuluma ngaye. And then do you love people? A lot. Ngiyabathanda abantu, like ngumuntu abantu mina guys, hence ngiqale lento kuba storyteller, ngumuntu abantu. I love people. Ngiyabathanda abantu ngidabula nje mina, ngiyazithandela nje abantu. Question engaka. What made you to like want to share your life with people you don't even know? I mean, telling stories about your life. Mina guys ngibhale into enibhalile like exactly. Into ngiyenza ukuthi ngishare like stories zami on social media. Kuma social media it's because of I don't know. Like I talk a lot today. Kakhulu. So I was like, yazini, ithi ngivula camera yami ngikhulume, because of umuntu mangaloku ngimxoxela uzogcina boreke ukuthi like ayi wena kunini ukukhuluma, and that's what ngivula social, you know, TikTok, and then ukhulume ngicela abantu into egoyetoro zona, and then ngiyenze this other video, my first video yale ntombazane le bengile grocery yami, I was like le ngidinga ukucela like ngidinga advice yabantu, understand? And then ngavula TikTok, mangivula TikTok ngaqaqa vele ukuthi intombazane yengenza. So ngabona like ama likes abhuma, ngabona ukuthi hayibo musilento le ngayenza le ngabatshela abantu into egowa through zona, and banga advice because I'm advice maningi, and like uyahleka manje uyahleka ukuthi ntombi uyisleep ezinye izinto uyakhona like nanoma ukwatile mangaya kuma comment section, amanye afana obvious, amanye azoba plumo, but like we are enjoy, man, understand? Yeah man, I don't know, but like yangijabulisa lento engiyenzayo, yangijabulisa. So will you welcome your cousin back when she comes to you again without even saying sorry? No. Angashuthi sorry. Angabonisa ukuthi sorry. Angazibonisa ukuthi wrong. Angeke. Sorry guys, I can't. No bangathi ngikhize ngakanani, I can't. How old are you? Ngina kuzinga ngakhe. Ngizalwe 2003, ngi-28. Zika 2003. ngina 22 ngithene 22 July. So niyabona ukuthi ngisengane ngisengumntwana nami. Are you dating someone? Yes, I'm in a relationship. So let's hope part 2 years ngisendeleni lawo ma question lawo kuma DM. Angeke ngireveal igama lakho and angeke ngikwate and angeke ngisho next. Like angeke ngiphendule nokuphendula. Just ukuthi ngibhala like ama questions wena parts and then ngizophendula la. Mangiphoqa ngizophoqa la. Understand? But like angeke ngisho igama lakho and angeke ngiphendule. So yes, thank you for watching. Let's hope kuzoba no part 2. Getting to know me better. Oh, bye. I love you. Have a lovely day.